we made it to the last environment of the day, and that environment is a city. Now, because there are so many different cities across the world, I chose the city closest to us, which is Denver. So some of the characteristics that make Denver, the temperature is between 20 degrees and 80 degrees, depending on the time of day, time of year, lots of things. Of course, sometimes it gets a lot colder, sometimes it gets a lot warmer. The water comes from snow melt, like from the mountains, and then any kind of precipitation. So any kind of rain, it kind of collects on the land, and then it's stored kind of in like lakes and rivers and reservoirs and things like that. The soil in Denver and the surrounding area is sandy with some clay mixed in there. Typical weather patterns, generally we have kind of a warm, this year it's been a warm, dry summer and not necessarily a cold, wet winter, but generally that's what we like to see. Common organisms, bighorn sheep, birds, and bears. So in that final space, you're going to draw what reminds you of a city. All right, here's my city. When I think of a city, I think of big buildings. I also drew a bird because there are birds in cities. So I'm going to write my little reminder. This is a city. And there you have it, all the way finished. Watch the video below to find out what to do with your lovely drawings.